This right here is $200, and in this video I'm going to show you the very simple strategy which I actually did use to make this particular amount, which is actually guaranteed strategy and an amazing one which you can actually go on to making money with CPA marketing just by using a self-clicking method. And this self-clicking method can actually earn you such amount right here. So make sure you go on to sticking onto this video, watching to the end to learn this simple self-clicking strategy. And guys, this strategy, a beginner can actually go on to taking advantage of this strategy and actually go on to making money right here online. And the cool thing about this is that this can be done anywhere right here in the world, and it's also 100% free strategy. And with that being said, and no more delay of time, let's jump right ahead into today's video. So first of all guys, if you don't have an account, it is quite important that you go on to registering for an account on this platform right here, which is called the CPA And if you do head onto this platform, click on register, you should be brought to this page. Go on to filling out this form appropriately, and you can see right here you do have to fill out the name, the last name, and you could skip this company and website section because they don't actually have this red asterisk signs, as this sign indicates that this is a required field which you must go on to fill in before you can create an account on this platform. So go on to filling out the street address, the country, the city, the region, zip code, phone number, Skype ID, your publisher type. Either go on to selecting the website /incense or the GPT. You can then just simply go on further to selecting your password, confirm your password, select the time zone. You can skip this section. Right here you want to read through the terms of services and agree to that by checking these boxes right now. So once these boxes have actually been checked, you can then just simply go on to clicking on register and create your account, of which your account can be created, and you can then just simply log into your account. Right now guys, you can see I'm logged into my account. Next you want to just simply come right here, click on this section which says offer tools, and click on my offers to get offers which you can go on to promoting. So guys, take a look at all these offers which you can see right now. They are actually available to the Nigerian demographic, and supposing I want to promote an offer to a top tier country, I actually do have a better particular type of offers or better payout to offers. I can just simply go on to filtering the offers right here. Supposing I want to promote the offers to the United States, I'm just going to select that, and you can actually see all these offers right here available to the United States demographic. There are actually cool offers right now which you could go on to promoting right here. And supposing I want to just simply go on to promoting this offer or self-clicking this particular offer myself and actually make this amount, if I do click on this offer right here, I will be able to see more details to the offer. Right now you can see the payout to this offer is actually $1.45. You can then just simply go on to seeing that this offer you actually need to use an Apple iOS device, and you also want to just be coming from the United States demographic to submit your email address and zip code while going through a simple survey, and you do get paid this amount right here. So you can just simply copy this affiliate link right now to go on to using that to self-click this method. So once you do copy the link guys, because this is actually a United States demographic, you want to make sure that your IP address is actually coming from the United States demographic, which is why you want to just simply go on to using a virtual private network, which is actually a VPN. And if you do go on to getting a VPN, it is quite necessary that you do go on to maybe using a paid VPN, because those are actually quite better when compared to the free VPN. And if I do actually go on to using one right now, you can see this one right here, the Urban VPN. I can then just simply connect that to the United States, and my IP address will actually be reading that particular location, and I can then just simply go on to completing this offer myself. But you may be wondering, how do I actually get an email address and a zip code that is actually from the United States demographic? This is quite simple guys, because we are actually going to be using a free platform that can actually give you that. If you do head onto this platform right here called bestrandoms.com, you can actually use this particular platform to go on to getting random locations right now in the United States, where you can actually go on to promoting your offers. As you can see right here, I can select any state right now. Maybe I want to select California right here. I can just simply click on generate, and it's actually going to go on to generating for me random locations in that particular city called California. You can see right here that this is actually different addresses right now, and also zip codes in that particular location, which you can then just simply go on to using to complete that simple offer which you do have right there. So you can then just simply copy this right now and go into making some cool cash. You could also go on to maybe clicking on new random addresses, and it's actually going to create some new ones right now in that same location right there, which is California. and you can see that these are actually cool right now. So once you're actually done, just simply copy these addresses and actually use that to complete this particular offer, which you actually do have right here. And guys, this is just for a email and zip submit offer. You could also go on to getting an email address right there, free email address online, via using another platform that can actually do get you a temporary email address. And guys, if you're actually promoting a pin submit offer, there's another platform that can actually do help you go on to getting free phone numbers from different locations out there. You could just simply utilize this platform right now to call the receive-smss.com. and if you do head on to this platform, as you can see, you could get temporary phone numbers from 50 plus countries. So once you do get temporary phone numbers from 50 plus countries, as you can see right here, you could receive the receive-smss.com is a free service for receiving SMS messages and voicemail online. There is no need to register, just select your phone number from this list below and you can use it to receive messages from Facebook, Telegram, WeChat, VK, PayPal, Alipay and many more. So you can just simply scroll down and you can see some cool numbers right here for various locations right now. This particular number is for the Nigerian demographic. This right here are for the United States. You can see this is for Canada. These ones right here are for the United Kingdom. You can see for Denmark, France, and the countries keep going on and on. So if you do keep on scrolling through, you'll be able to see lots and lots and lots of countries right here where you could just simply get a free phone number for. And if you do go onto these platforms right now, maybe if I want to just simply use this, but guys, you want to just simply select a United States phone number right there to go on to using to complete your offer. Click on open. It's actually going to go on to taking you to a page where you can just simply activate this particular phone number right here. As you can see, these are actually more details to this right now. You could just simply refresh the page every couple of minutes to get new messages. You could be aware that anyone can actually see your message for this number, and please do not verify important information. And right now guys, you could just simply ask to give you this number and you can just simply register for this number right here for absolutely free and just simply go on to completing your CPA marketing offer that is actually a pin submit offer that requires you to submit a phone number from that particular location. So you can actually do that right here to go on to making money with the CPA self-clicking strategy. These are actually amazing strategies right now, and I do hope this video was actually of help to you. If you do have any question, why not just simply drop that in the comment section down below. And also guys, make sure you subscribe to the channel and make sure your notification bell is turned on all, because I will actually be releasing a lot of videos that can help you go on to boosting your income right now with CPA marketing. And I do hope this video was of help to you. If yes, simply smash the like button, subscribe to this channel and make sure notification bells are always turned on all. See you all in my next video. Thank you all for watching guys, and goodbye.